Good morning guys and welcome to this episode of the vlog. So we are out headed to Coorg. I've got 5 of my friends along with me. It's totally 6 of us. So there is, in Kannada we call it as Uru Habba, which is basically a village festival. So we have a village festival going on in my wife's village. I'm going to go there to participate in that festival and see what's happening. We're taking the Q7, the silver one that you see in the back. So that's the car that we're taking this time around. So I just stopped for breakfast. This is Malgudi Vatika, name of the place. It's a very nice place. It's on the Mysore road, right I think about 4-5 kilometers down from the Pepsi factory that's there. Let me show you the place. This is how the place looks. It's a nice garden. They've got place inside also where you can sit and have food. So I'm going to head out now. So let's leave. Sapna. My friends are here now, so I'm going to be headed out. It's like 8 AM now. I hope I will be in Coorg in like 4 hours from now. There's one really cool thing I want to show you about this car. You need to notice how the headlights, the indicators get activated when I actually unlock it. The rear indicators are even more crazier when you unlock it. Just check this out. I mean, I really love the way that it zooms past. This is like really amazing. It's a turning, so I'm kind of getting scared because you need to get in quickly. You need to get in very quickly. There's a car coming behind.
I need to stand.
He won't fit.
He won't fit. No, he won't fit. He won't fit.
Sit properly.
He won't fit. I'm telling you that.
Sit up. Right. You will fit? Yes.
It's only a matter of
Make it quick, I'll turning.
This is turn. It's a turning, dude. Close.
I'm ready.
Get in.
Quick. 2 minutes of AC, 5 minutes of standing. Give it to me if it is recording.
It's recording.
Because I'm gonna stand.
Wear it on your head. You're gonna go out?
Yeah.
you know what? Let's just settle down. I need AC.
Which junction you need to stand out? That place you stand out, okay?
Yeah.
ನಾನು ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನನಗೇನು ಕಾಣೋದು ಸೀಟ್ ಇದು ನನ್ನ
height ಇದೆ. You know what you need to do, Vinay? Sit like this.
That's what I'm doing.
Take out your slippers, put your leg on top, and sit like you're sitting on a bench.
And from day after tomorrow, go to gym and reduce your weight.
Reduce your height.
Hi, you are over. Seriously, man.
Reduce height.
Hi. Take some lift. No. So it will automatically.
Somewhere here we have to take a left.
No, I'll tell you. I'll tell you where
After
you
the
have
bridge,
to
na,
take.
Sapna.
Hurry, you'll get a bus stop, okay?
I know, bus stop, then bridge,
bus-
and then that left.
No, you don't have to go to the bridge. From bus stop, you need to take a left.
Okay. Got it.
Then let me know when you are opening this one.
Yeah.
Turn this side. I'm recording it. So let's see what Vinay is doing alone here back. Wow.
It's like a giant wheel track.
Yeah, I know.
Nakundi Palace, Nalkanad.
Left.
Look away.
I'll open.
ಆಯ್ತಾ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
I think second slide also opens, I guess.
I don't know how to do it.
Wow. Hey, that's awesome.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Super.
Yeah. Awesome.
Guys, thank you for watching my vlog. If you're not subscribed yet, bang, click on the subscribe button, it's right there. If you want to watch the last 2 videos that I've uploaded, I put them up here and here. And of course, my favorite playlist, the Superbike Weekend, it's right up here. You can check that out. Don't forget to smash the like button on the way out.